How to check recently sent friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check all the friend requests that you have recently sent on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you just have to tap on the friends icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And here, once you are in the section, just tap on see all option which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on View Sent Request. And here you'll see the list of all friend requests that you have sent and that haven't been accepted or declined yet. Now here you can also cancel any request directly by tapping on Cancel Request. And here, that's it. If you don't see your sent request, you can try refreshing the app or updating it to the latest version because sometimes Facebook moves this option slightly after updates, but it's always inside the friends section. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.